Hi, my name is Mitch, your next Gemstone. The reason why I want to do presenting is because I want to challenge myself. I've been doing radio presenting for some time now, and I believe that this will give me an opportunity to present my other talents. Why I want to be a presenter, it's apart from being my studies, it has been my dream for such a long time. And I feel that I can offer Africa their gemstone to the world. That's why I'm the next gemstone of Africa. Thank you very much. You're watching Mitch TV. Are you the next star, superstar, presenter, musician, TV host, whatever it is? Make sure that you are here in President's Hotel, Gaborone, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Gemstone is holding beautiful auditions up in here. So if you're the next musician, want to be hanging out with Jason Derulo at the awards or anything, or if you want to be the next TV host, hosting one of the biggest shows in Africa, or you want to be the next, presenter, interviewing all the likes of 50 Cent, Jason Derulo, probably in E! Entertainment Television, one of the biggest entertainment television in Hollywood, then this is your stand right here. This is Gemstone Africa. They're doing it big for Africa. If you think you have what it takes to be the next African gemstone, then be here. President's Hotel, 10 a.m., 4 p.m. Gaborone, baby. I'm out.